welcome to my channel. My name is Linda and I'm a frag head, frag hag, perfumista, whatever you want to call it. It's one of my biggest passions in life. Well, I'm a passionate person. I've got more passions than one. Another passion of mine is art. I'm an illustrator and artist by trade. And one day it dawned on me, can I combine these two into one? I've never ever heard of it being done before. If you know of anyone else that's been spraying precious drops of perfume into art, please leave me a comment below because I'd love to check that out. So this will be a first, and I'm hoping I could do many, many more. So if you have any suggestions on who I should paint, what fragrance I should use, please fill the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. It's a 10 out of 10. Mugler, Eau Sensuelle. It is absolutely fabulous. I heart it. I heart my Mugler. Let the show begin. And we are off. The blue you see there, that's masking fluid. So let's talk about the fragrance. It's Eau Sensuelle by Mugler. It's a flanker from the Aura line. I've been a massive fan of Mugler ever since the release of the two beasts. You know which ones I'm talking about, right? Yes, Angel and Alien. It's not for the faint at heart, it's not for the wallflowers, and that's what I like the power in those fragrances. So naturally, when I read that a new release was on the way, Aura, I could hardly contain my excitement. It's almost ridiculous. And it's for many reasons I was intrigued. It's, first of all, the name, Aura. I associate that with so many things. It makes me think of what people project, you know, that energy field that you feel when you get close to someone. It could be positively charged, it could be negative, it could be awkward, it could be anything, but it's just mega interesting. And it also made me think of migraines. I know that sounds weird, but if you've ever experienced an aura migraine, you would know what I'm talking about, because it does mess with your visual field. It's like an iridescent vibration, and then headache hits you. However, Aura, the green emerald Aura, it's not a beast for me. It does have the same beast mode as the two previous mentioned fragrances, but when Eau Sensuelle, this flanker, was coming out to the market here in the country I live in, I actually drove for 60 kilometers in order to sniff it. Yes, I know, that's the thing we do, us frag nerds. And love at first sniff. And I knew it. I knew I would love it. I read up about it. The notes, oh my God, they are. The top notes are gardenia and cinnamon leaf. The middle is green notes. What the hell is that anyway? Green notes? That could be anything. It could be, well, I think in this case it's like freshly cut grass and a slightly minty touch. Base notes are white musk and sandalwood. This is a beautiful concoction. It's masterfully blended, and the gardenia is just to die for. The weird thing is, I would describe this as soapy, creamy, and vanilla-y. Vanilla is not listed in any of the notes, but I do get vanilla. I think it might be a little bit trick of the nose because the cinnamon leaf blended with the gardenia and the white musk sandalwood concoction could just basically create that effect. This fragrance is different, but it's not as different as the original Aura. This has its own unique quality. Definitely feminine and warm and comforting, but it has a boost or a pizzazz that keeps you on your toes. I think it does the name justice. Aura or Sensuelle definitely is just that. And can we talk about the bottle now? Seriously, it's like if Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis in Latin, were to fall out of the sky and hit the ground. The iridescence of that bottle, the futuristic sci-fi design, and the heart shape, it seriously makes love with my eyes and my nose. Try it.